I'm doing this for extra credit. Please don't make fun of me for being a nerd. Hi, I'm doing a song about the quadratic formula. And it's for extra credit for Algebra 2. And for those of you who don't know what the quadratic formula is, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay? That's the quadratic formula. It's really easy. Really easy. So yeah, just listen to the song and I'll explain to you what all the parts are. And I'll explain afterwards too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy my nerdiness. Listen closely to these words, it'll be a great tool. Because when you're in algebra, this will surely help you. It's called the quadratic formula, and it goes something like this. Negative e plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Oh yeah. A is your leading coefficient, if that's too hard to see. Pay close attention, it's really quite easy. Because when you look at your problem and see the number that is squared, you just take that number and plug it in right there. I am going to tell you it's not hard. It just takes a little time. Pay close attention, it'll come to you in no time. Listen closely to these words, it'll be a great tool. Because when you're in algebra, this will surely help you. It's called the quadratic formula, and it goes something like this. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Oh yeah. When you see a b in the equation, that is just your x terms coefficient. If that doesn't make sense to you, let me give you an example. In the equation 3x squared plus x minus 4, b would be equal to 1, but if you're not too sure, just trust that this formula will help you solve these problems. I'm going to tell you it's not hard. It just takes a little time. Just pay close attention, it'll come to you in no time. Listen closely to these words, it'll be a great tool. Because when you're in algebra, this will surely help you. It's called the quadratic formula, and it goes something like this. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Oh yeah. Last part of the equation you really need to know is C. All you need to do is find the constant. Yes, that's the key. Constant is the term for C in this particular formula. If that's not simple enough, go back to kindergarten, please. Because I am going to tell you it's not hard. It just takes a little time. Just pay close attention, it'll come to you in no time. Listen closely to these words, it'll be a great tool. Because when you're in algebra, this will surely help you. It's called the quadratic formula, and it goes something like this. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I said negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, I'll go over the parts one more time. So, the formula, once again. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared over 4ac. Let's try that again, because I'm not recording this video again. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. There we go. Okay, now, in the quadratic formula, ideally, a is your leading coefficient, b is your x terms coefficient, and c is your constant. Now the example that I gave, 3x squared plus x minus 4. 3 would be a, because 3 is your leading coefficient. As you can see here by 3x squared. 3 is your leading coefficient. Therefore 3 is a. B, your x terms coefficient, would be 1. X, right here, does not have a coefficient. Therefore does have a coefficient, but doesn't have a written one. Therefore the coefficient is 1. Because 1 times x is x. Simple enough. And C, your constant, this way, negative 4. So yeah, that's the quadratic formula. And yeah, I'm done. I've got my extra credit. And yeah, bye guys.